Hello, Odd Job Dewey here. And can you see this here? Do you see this like, this little ceiling stuff you used to call it popcorn ceiling or snow? Or, I don't know, some kind of insulation stuff. Anyways, they don't really use that too much anymore, I don't think. And to get rid of it, it's not so hard. If you have a room that you do it with, what I would suggest is to get a spray gun with a misting action and do some squirts on there with the mist. I can't afford that with my budget, so I got a sponge here that I'm dampening it with. And for those of you with leaky roofs, you might see this stuff here already falling down pretty easy. So just give some good dampening here. Then take yourself a nice scraper, rigid thing. Just kind of scrape away. Alright, just like so. Now, you don't want to breathe this stuff. I have air flowing through this space. I don't know if you can hear it or not. And it goes out the door. It's a jar. Just kidding, it's a door. And yeah, give a nice little scrape like that. Now what you got here is pretty much your bare, for this particular instance, drywall underneath. And so what we'll do after this here is wet some more and scrape some more, and then I'll go back with a primer, prime this board. I'll scrape down the edges to try to keep them like seamless. Whoops, trying to gouge it. Otherwise you can use some compound to patch it up. But yeah, I'll do some primer, prime it, let it dry, and then comes what are you gonna do next with it. This right here, the rest of the ceiling does have a little bit of, I think they call it an orange peel effect to it. And, I don't got that. Actually, I don't need that. Because what's going to go on here is another replacement light. There's a light fixture that was here, and I'm just going to pop another one in. In fact, I didn't have to scrape this stuff off, but you know what? Might as well. So, new light fixture will go and hopefully take that space. But in the meantime, I will still prime it and paint it a ceiling white, or whatever this one that's up here to match, which is probably ceiling white. So, questions, comments, leave them down below. And yeah, the other thing you do with this is hook up a little scraper thing with a shop vac attached to it. Wet it, I think you scrape it, and then you just sucks the mess in the shop vac. It should be pretty smooth. I'm sure it's out there somewhere in the market. Same thing though, I just have a small little patch I'm doing right now, and budget reasons. But otherwise, it does something like this here, see? It snowed, yay! So, questions, comments? Let them come. And thanks for watching. Odd Job Doer, out.